Where is the best place to invest in real estate? Lane Kawoka PE says, San Francisco, Hawaii, Los Angeles, Seattle, Boston are examples of primary markets which are not ideal for cash flow investing. It could appreciate, but I consider that gambling. Sophisticated investors invest on cash flow where the rents exceed the mortgage plus expenses, and enough money to pay for professional property managed to do our dirty work. Sophisticated investors look at the rent-to-value ratio and look for at least 1% or more to be able to cash flow after expenses. You find the rent-to-value ratio by taking the monthly rent dividing by the purchase price. For example, a $100,000 home that rents for $1,000 a month would have a rent-to-value ratio of 1%. Most people I work with live in primary markets, as opposed to Birmingham, Atlanta, Indianapolis, Kansas City, Memphis, Little Rock, Jacksonville, Ohio, or other secondary or tertiary markets, where the rent-to-value ratios are under 1%. Most investors don't follow this prospectus, but then again most investors only own a few rental properties at most. Why is it most sophisticated investors who invest for cash flow own over 1,000 units? Bulls State says, this year the government has pushed various schemes speaking about profit in real estate through investing. As per the investment perspective, Tier 2 cities are the best because you can find decent options under 50 lakhs, which is not possible in big cities. Some cities promise good returns in the near future: Mohali, Visakhapatnam, and Chennai. Find the invest-worthy options at Bulls State with all the required information. From these top 3, our bet is on Mohali being the end-user-driven market, making it less prone to speculation. Not to mention it is close to big cities, making it a reasonable option for renting out or facilitating a holiday home. David Wong says, in Japan, there are condos from $20,000 in western Tokyo, e.g. Hachioji, the Fusa area, etc. They're small. I own one that is only approximately 165 square feet, but many people in Japan live alone these days, so the demand for these units is high. Once you own one, you can rent it out for a few $100 a month and make returns higher than 10% per year, which is really good, better than both US stocks and real estate, historically. Even non-resident foreigners can own real estate here. You can pay an agent a small fee to manage the property, and then you won't have to deal with the tenants yourself. Thanks for watching our video on, where is the best place to invest in real estate?